Hi guys, in today's cooking video I will be sharing a quick haul, a grocery haul, as well as some dinner ideas. So let's get started. I wanted to share with you just a quick haul. Believe it or not, this cost around $3.50. Not much here for that kind of money. So I'm gonna get started with the top stuff. One of the reasons why it was so high is because we loaded up on some chicken breasts and they were on sale, and then I have some chicken thighs, and we also got some chicken wings. And then we've got, yes, and 2 bottles of wine, as my husband likes to point it out, which is like $50 right out of there in Canada. So we got sweet chili sauce, we have sriracha, some fish sauce, some sweet soya sauce I needed for a recipe. We're having kind of a fun night on Saturday. We're making a couple different Asian dishes, so I needed a few different things. So then we got some dumplings, some spring rolls. So we got 2 packages. We'll probably only use half, but we don't get out to that store very often, so we wanted to stock up for next time. And then we have some samosas because my daughter doesn't like dumplings and spring rolls. I don't know why, but she doesn't. Got some coconut cream, and then these are great if you love pho soup, because sometimes going to a restaurant can lead to eating other things, but if you want just a quick pho soup at home, these packets are amazing. And you just add your noodles and your veggies to it. You can even add meat if you want, but I just like adding noodles and veggies, and kind of kills the craving for the pho soup. Then I went to a bakery and just got some light rye and some bagels. And then we go for the veggies. I've got some mushrooms. Then I have bean sprouts because I like putting them in that soup. And then I have 2 packages of the shredded cabbage for the spring roll in a bowl. 2 packages of naan. Some rice stick noodles. Some spaghetti noodles and some ramen noodles. Got some white all-purpose flour. This one is unbleached. Some fresh whipping cream. There's Parmesan here. And then I've got carrots, oranges, cauliflower. Oh, there's a tamarind paste. Some limes, ginger, red carrots, some spring onion. I've got some turmeric root, cucumbers, tomatoes, and spinach. These are the shallots. Keep mixing them with scallions, but those are scallions. These are shallots. Broccoli, red hot chili pepper, some lemongrass, snow peas, peppers, bok choy, cilantro. Then I have zucchini and avocados here. So that's it. And I also bought some pop for the kids. So that is around, like I said, $350. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick grocery haul. And now let's get started with cooking. This week I've prepared a lot of chicken thighs. So if you love chicken thighs, then make sure you watch my dinner ideas, because you are going to enjoy them. For dinner tonight, I'm making General Tso's chicken. So I have my chicken here. I'm kind of marinating type of thing with soya sauce, cornstarch, and egg whites. I had chopped up some veggies for the sauce. I have my chicken broth, and I also need some hoisin sauce to go in it. And I am preheating the oil, and I've also started on my rice. So my sauce is done, and now I'm cooking the chicken. And here is the chicken. So now I have added the veggies in with the chicken. Next day I was preparing chicken thighs as well, and I was making Marry Me chicken. I will have the recipe video that I posted last week linked at the end of the video for if you want to check it out. This tasted absolutely delicious, and I made some pasta with it and some salad. So like I said, it was chicken thighs, and you sauteed them a little bit, and then you make them and bake them in the oven in a sauce. Really good recipe. So make sure you head on over to that video to get the full recipe. For dinner tonight, I have made honey garlic salmon, and I will have the recipe for this salmon linked in the description box. And then I made some Asian rice. I just added some sesame oil and some what is it called? Soy sauce into the boiling water, and then I just boiled my rice. Just something simple with a little bit of flavor. And I made a kale salad with poppy seed dressing just out of the package. The last meal that I'm sharing is a Saturday meal, and this took a little while to make. I was making chicken thighs again. It was sauteed chicken thighs, but I did make some sticky wings with it as well. And I will have this recipe coming up on the 26th of February because it is part of a cookbook challenge that I'm participating in. So I'll make sure you stay tuned for that. So make sure your bell is turned on, so you get notified when this video comes up. This was a very delicious meal, and if you like Thai food, Asian infused type of food, these two recipes are definitely for you. I hope you have enjoyed these videos, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you press the notification bell and the subscribe button so you don't miss out any of my future uploads.